Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. For example, if you want to create an account on your iPhone or create Apple ID, so you find this error while you create your Apple ID. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi or internet connection can be restarted. And after restarting your connection, you can also check your Wi-Fi router, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset your network settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you can do is you can simply go for check, and you have to check whether you have an updated version of the iOS or not. And you can also create your account on Apple Music on Android devices, and also you can create your account on appleid.com on your MacBook or all other things. And if the problem is still there, then you can also go for the Apple Support to check whether there is a solution available. And you can also go for the Apple discussion, where you can simply find the solution of many problems available on iOS devices. So in this way you can simply solve that error. So hope you have liked this video. If I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.